Welcome back to the CSC Garage. I'm Matt, and today we're going to have a video showing you how to install a rear Topeak rack on your mid-drive CSC e-bike. Let's get started.
Hi, James here. Today we're gonna install a Topeak rack onto our MD bicycle. For this installation, you're gonna need a 4mm Allen wrench, a 5mm Allen wrench, and an 8mm box wrench. That's basically all you need to install the rack. When you first receive your rack, you're going to notice that the struts are going to be in an up and down position, both of them. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to reassemble it this way. So you have the two bolts in the middle here. And then on the other side, these are the two holes you'll be using for that. And you do that on both sides so that they're both in this position. Alrighty, the next step we're going to take is we're going to install the upper strut. The upper strut is stainless steel, and you're going to use the center slot here to mount right on the rack right there, just like on this side here. Mounting it right there, about right there, is going to give you about the right measurement to install easily on the bicycle. Keep in mind when you install the upper struts, you want to have them a little bit loose. You don't want them tight at the moment, because once we mount it onto the bike, that's when we're going to snug them up. So just slightly loose at the moment. Now that we have the struts on the rack, we're going to put it on the bicycle. The kit comes with two longer bolts. These longer bolts are the ones that you're going to use for the bottom strut. So we're going to put it right in that hole there. Same thing goes for the other side. Now, the upper struts you're going to connect to the upper mounts up here, and they're going to be connected on the inside. Now you can see right now that this is still loose. They should be kind of loose. So, but first you're going to put these bolts in and put them on the inside here like that. So we'll leave it a little loose, and then we'll put it in the other side. Now we can tighten up the top struts here. Now, to make sure that the rack is level, you can kind of move it back or forward. And that seems about right there is where it's going to be about level there. Once it's level, the last thing you do is just tighten up the struts to the rack up on top here. Make sure you have washers top and bottom. And that should do her. Now that you have your MTX rack on your MD bike, one thing you can do is we carry two bags that work really well with this rack. They come with a quick track system, and they slide right onto the rack. So you just put it right on the track there, and it clicks right in the gear. Pretty solid. Really nice bag, so you can carry all your stuff in here. Has a shoulder strap also, so when you don't have it on the bike, you can carry it around. And also has a place for your water bottle and a few little other things. Also got some side bags here. You carry a few little things, maybe your keys or something. So when you want to remove it, it's pretty easy to come off. So that's pretty cool. The other rack bag we offer is a little bit bigger version of the first one I showed you. It's a little bit wider. It works on the same system in that you click it right on. But what's kind of cool about this bag is that it's a pannier bag. So you got some panniers on the side here. You can carry some extra stuff. So if you really need to get away for the weekend and you need all your goodies, it would all be there. So, yeah, great bag. And again, it comes with a strap here, so if you want to carry it, close everything up and carry it along.
James, thanks again for making that install so easy. If you need any parts or accessories for your CSC e-bike, especially this great deal on the Topeak bag, be sure to check us out at csc-ebikes.com. And as always, enjoy the ride.